I am making this video to show you how to clean these. Hello, this is me again. My hand is wet actually, so it leaves marks. I will use this liquid, which is almost used for cleaning the dishes. I will have some of it on water and using a piece of sponge. You don't need to buy specific equipment. You only use this, and I'll show you how to clean them. I will start with these ones. So you just start cleaning them. You need extra water because they actually absorb water. You know, the color is totally different now, but don't panic, everything's gonna be okay. I think this is an oil stain. I'm gonna be cleaning with the dry cleaning kit. I made a video about it. Side of the boots, it's gonna be so clean. And now you have to clean the shoe. You don't have to do this because here it's clean. But for me, I will be cleaning this side from the behind. I'm gonna leave them overnight and show you the result. I have the other one. It's almost clean. You know, when it's new, you wouldn't dare to do that. But as they get older, you will be sacrificing. So I have two other boots with different color. You know, like 2-3 years ago, when I had the yellow ones, it was raining and I wanted to go get something. I wanted to buy something. So I went outside and I tried to run the car, to start the car, but I had a problem with the engine. So I opened the boot and started to check the oil level, and suddenly, out of nothing, all the oil in the engine was going out from the place where we add oil, and also from the stick place where we check the oil. And guess what? The boots were all covered with engine oil. They were so recent, so new. Don't clean them with this side, only this side. And I was like, I felt so bad. So I went to the dealer and he told me that he has some cleaning kit. I bought the cleaning kit and they were fine again. It was like magic, you know. It was full of marks like this one, but I could clean it easily. I have the video on my channel. I will put the link. I will leave them to dry and then I'm gonna show you what happens to them the next day. Guys, this is next morning. They are getting dry. Hey yo, I just come back from work and this is how they look. You know, they look different a little bit. I think this is because we have winter time and the water on the table still not dry. So that's it. The boots are clean and ready to go. Thanks for watching and bye bye.